In this episode, the perfect butterflied roast chicken. Ingredients. Using a sharp knife, cut your chicken breast side up and remove the skin. Using a sharp knife, score your chicken. I wanted to try Bramwell's roast chicken seasoning. Add some to the chicken and some to a separate container. Add aromat seasoning or salt. Some garlic granules or fresh garlic. Smoked paprika. Herbes de Provence. Add ginger puree or ground ginger to the container. And to the chicken, onion granules, ground black pepper, some oil, the zest of 1 lemon, and the juice of the lemon. To the container, add the juice of half a lemon, oil, and white wine vinegar. Flip the chicken over and add the same herbs and spices. And that's the chicken marinated. Transfer it to a lined baking tray. Add some onions and some fresh rosemary. Roast the chicken in a preheated oven set to 180 degrees Celsius for roughly 1.5 hours. And finally add a chutney of your choice to the small container. This is the marinade. After every 30 minutes, brush the chicken with the marinade. After giving the chicken one last coat of marinade, bake it for 5 to 10 minutes. And that's it. Enjoy your very own perfect butterflied roast chicken. Another 10 out of 10 from my friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Love you all, and God bless.